Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss the call by value and the call by reference topic in our functions. So just here you can see we have the two methods to pass our data into the function. Just you can see what we have here, two methods. What we need to be passed here, we need to be pass the data into the one function. In our C language here what we have means here we have the one is the call by value and second one is the call by reference. If we need to be pass the our data into the functions here, you can follow the two methods. Those are the call by value and the call by reference. Once you can see here, whatever you have the original value, that can be converting into the our two methods, right? So here the original value means here at present whatever you have the data. If you modify this one, this can be converting. If you modify this one, this can be converting into the call by reference manner. Call by reference. If it is not modified, it can be in the form of call by value performance. The original value is modified means if it is in the call by reference. If not modified, the value will be in the form of call by value. Let's see here. First we need to be discuss the call by value. So here the call by value can be performs the our arguments. What arguments it can be performs? Actual arguments, or else here you can say the actual parameters. Whatever you have the actual parameters, those are copied into the our formal parameters. In the call by value, the values of the actual parameters are copied into the our formal parameters. Your actual parameter is calling function. Your formal parameters are the our called function. So whatever you have the parameters in the actual parameters, those are copied into the corresponding parameter. Corresponding parameter means your formal parameters. Like here calling to the called function we are working. And whatever you performed in this, okay, whatever you copied from the actual to the formal, so means just we did the modification only, right? So the modification done to the argument in the called function. So called means here our formal parameters, so does not reflect the our actual arguments. Means here we cannot modify the value of the actual parameter by the formal parameter. If you are modifying anything in the our formal parameter, that will not affect anything to the our actual parameter. So means here whatever you have the value in the actual parameter, that will be remains constant only. It will not affect from the our formal parameters. Just you can see the one programmatic to define this one, you will be understand how you are performing the call by functions. You can see here we have the one programmatic for this, right? So just here you can write the hash include everything for this. Okay, so in the main function here I'm choosing the x and y values. X is equals to the 10 and y is equals to the 20. And here I'm choosing the add function. In the add I'm choosing the two variables, those are the x and y, and then you can print whatever you given the x and y values in our output. And next you can choose the void add method again. In that here I'm choosing the int a and the int b. So you can see here whatever you have the x and y, these are the our actual parameters. You can say here whatever you have the x and y, these are the actual parameters. And here whatever you have the a comma b, these are the our formal parameters. So here you can see in this method whatever you have the actual parameters, those are copied into the our formal parameters, right? Whatever you have the x and y values, those will be copied into the our e and b values. Like here the calling function is called by the our formal parameters. You can see here I am taking the a is equals to the a plus b value. So just here I am taking the some statements. B is equals to the b plus 2. So like that here we'll get the our output. Just you can see here how we will get the output here. First here what we have x and y values, right? You can see here x and y values we have. X value we have the 10 and next here we have the y value that is the 20. Here I am taking the some address of this here. I am choosing the 2000 is the address for this and 2004 is the address for this. Okay, so and whatever you have the values for this x and y value, just you can see these addresses will be system defined automatically. The system will choose the addresses for these x and y values. There is no problem for the identification. You can choose the 1000 is also, or else here 1500 500 is also possible. That's your choice. Here I am choosing the x and y. These two are the our actual parameters. At present we have these. So x will be having the 10 and the y will be having the 20 value. So these values in our calling function, these values in our calling means actual parameters. Once you copy this one into the formal parameters, how these can be converted? You can see here it will be having the what we have the formal parameters. We have the formal parameters, those are the a and the b. Now here we have the values like your 10 and the 20 only. We are copying the x value to the a, y value to the b. Yes, and here it will be takes the some address of this here. This is also system generated automatically. Just here I'm choosing the 4000 value. And next here the value, here we took the one performance, right? So you can see here a is equals to the a plus b, b is equals to the b plus 2. From that condition you can check here a is equals to a plus b. A value we have the 10, b value we have the 20. So a plus b means here we get the 30 value. We get the 30 value. Now a value will be the 30. And next we have the b is equals to the b plus 2. B value 20 and we are adding the 2. Like here we get the 22. Now here our b value. This is like here our 4000 and this is like here 4002. Right? And next here whatever you have the value for the x and y, those will not affect in the our call by value. Means here it will remains constant only. Once you can check the our x and the y values, those will be in the form of remains constant only. It will not affect anything in this 2000 and the 2004. Okay, so here first this statement in the form of our calling function. Okay, and this a and b are called by the our x and y. Here x and y is calling the our a and b variables. A and b are called by the our x and y. This is the called function. Okay, so whatever you have the values a and b, that is calling the our function with the adding of the a and b values. It can be performs the add function. And next here whatever you have the values of the x and y in the calling function, those are not affected in the our call by value. So not affected, or else you're unaffected, you can write here. So means here these are in the constant manner only. There is no change in the our call by value. And next here we have the call by reference. In the call by reference here, this is the opposite for the call by value. So just here it is also taking the actual arguments into the our formal parameters. Means actual parameters also copied into the our corresponding parameter. Here we have the corresponding parameter is the formal parameter that we can call like your called function. So this is also same step for the call by value and the call by reference. So but when you are doing the modification into this, that is the changes in this. Just you can see here what we had the changes into this. So if you did the modifications for this, if you did the modifications to perform the formal parameters, So those are like you're performing the our called function, right? So if it is calling, actual parameters also changes. In the call by value, those will be remains constant. But in this, but in the call by reference here, actual parameters also changing the values. Just you can see whatever we have in this also we are writing the programmatic. This is also similar to us. X and Y are the our actual parameters. Whatever you have your X and Y, these are the our actual parameters. Okay, and next here you can see here we have the A and B. A comma B, these are the our formal parameters. Right, here we took the X value 10 and Y value 20, and here we took the address of X and the address of Y value to add the our information. And here this address can be performing like you're adding of the our formal parameters through the our pointers. This is the pointer symbol. You can check here, it is taking the pointer symbol to add the values. Just you can see how these will be adding and what we will get the in output. So just see. First here what we have the values for the X and Y. Here we have the X value is the 10, and next year we have the Y value is the 20. Here also I am taking the 2000 and the 2004. X value we have the 10 and the Y value we have the 20. Yes, okay. This is what here, this is the calling function like here our actual parameters. And next year these will be copied into the our formal parameters with the using of the our A and B variables. A will be having the 2000, B will be having the 2004, and the address is like your 4000 and the address is like your 4002. So here this is like your our called function. So here the formal parameters are called by the addresses of the our calling function. Addresses of the calling function. Let's see here what we have the address values here in the A here. In the A means your pointer A. Why it is taking the not values, why it is taking the addresses means here we are performing the pointers. Okay, just you can see how we can identify means here we are writing the add address of X in the address of Y. By the address of that here we are identifying the our formal parameters. Okay, and next here we have the pointer B. So it just took the A is equals to the A plus B, means you'll get the 30, and this is also 22 value. Okay, so just you can see we can call this is the add function. Here we perform with the add function. And next here whatever you performed here, the values also you're changing into the our calling function. So what we have here, calling function X and the Y. This is here we have the 4000 and this is 4002, right? And you can see here this is the 2000 and 2004. The X value we have the normally 10, right? But here it can be takes the our formal parameters. Like here it can choose the addresses of values of the our formal parameters. Like here it can be works like your reference 30 and the 22. So means here it can be changes the values. Okay, function. Just you can write the function changes. Here we perform with the function changing. Just you can remember, if you're working with the call by value, the values will be remains constant. If you're working with the formal parameters also, means if you did the modifications. In the call by reference here, if we did the modifications here, the formal parameters whatever taking the formal parameters values, those will be seen in our actual parameters. Okay, like that here you can work here. Just you can see the diagram will be understand. We have the original value. That value is copied by the call by value. That value is copied by the actual parameters to the formal parameters. Okay, so if we did the modifications, If it is S, call by reference. If it is no, your call by value. Call by will be remains constant in the modification. It will be changes the functions in our reference. Like this here we can work the our call by value in the call by reference. Thank you for the watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel.